Hey guys, in this episode of HubFuel, we're going to be talking about how to partition marketing assets within the marketing suite of tools within HubSpot. Previously, up until now, you have only been able really to give tool-based access to your users or teams within HubSpot, meaning that you could turn the entirety of the email tool on or off for certain teams or individuals. Now, with the release of partitioning in HubSpot, which is currently at the time of recording on enterprise plans, it allows you to essentially now, on an asset by asset basis, set which team has access to view or edit that particular asset. Meaning that if you are, say, a head office with separate franchises that operate well within the same HubSpot portal, there is no better time than ever to get onto HubSpot. Because essentially your franchises can own assets and create assets relevant to their team in the marketing tool, but other franchises or teams may not be able to see those emails that may have been created adjacent to them. However, from a top level consolidated view, you will be able to see all of the emails that are being created at any point in time. So if that sounds like a fit for you, let's jump into HubSpot and let's start partitioning our first marketing asset. First and foremost, you can have a setting to say that if you're on an enterprise license, when you create new content, if you sit within a team, so if Samuel Banks sat in the marketing team, when I create content, it will automatically be assigned to the marketing team. So you can turn that on. Alternatively, if Samuel Banks is working at head office, but creating things for other brands, you may want to turn that off because obviously he wants to share his assets he's creating with more than one team. So we can turn that toggle on or off. And what that then means is when we go to, let's say, our marketing email area, we can see all the emails in our account. Like so. And what we may want to do is say, okay, for financial services, that's great, but I want to manage that so that only specific teams can see it, right? So instead of the automotive team seeing that, maybe I want, say, example, the demo team to only see that. If I press save, what that means is anyone that's in the demo will only be able to see that. And there you have it. That's essentially how to partition assets within HubSpot. If you like this video, be sure to check out all our other HubFuel videos on our YouTube channel or our Video Hub, where you can find all the latest on HubSpot latest releases or product updates.